Welcome back my new video. The 2025 Shark Colorado is an innovative design to deliver a perfect blend of rugged performance, cutting-edge technology, and refined comfort. Aimed at both adventure seekers and professionals, this truck redefines what it means to own a versatile, dependable vehicle. From its bold design to its powerful capabilities, the Shark Colorado positions itself as a leading contender in the mid-size truck segment. Introduction. The 2025 Shark Colorado builds upon the legacy of its predecessors while embracing modern advancements in automotive engineering. With a robust build, smart technology, and a suite of driver-focused amenities, this truck is tailored for those who demand reliability and sophistication in one package. It is available in multiple trims to cater to diverse preferences, from off-road enthusiasts to urban commuters. Exterior. The exterior design of the 2025 Shark Colorado combines strength and style. Key highlights include bold front fascia, a redesigned grille with a sleek yet aggressive aesthetic, flanked by LED headlights with adaptive technology. Aerodynamic profile, sculpted lines and an improved silhouette enhance both aesthetics and efficiency. Rugged features, high ground clearance, skid plates, and reinforced bumpers cater to off-road durability. Customizable options, multiple paint finishes, wheel designs, and accessory packages allow buyers to personalize their trucks. Functional design, a larger cargo bed, integrated tie-downs, and a power tailgate provide maximum utility for work and play. Performance. The Shark Colorado offers exceptional performance through advanced powertrain options and engineering. Engine choices. A 2.7L turbocharged 4-cylinder engine with impressive torque for towing. An optional hybrid powertrain for improved fuel efficiency without compromising power. Transmission, paired with a smooth shifting 8-speed automatic transmission for seamless power delivery. Off-road capability. Available 4x4 system with selectable drive modes. Enhanced suspension for rugged terrains. Off-road tires and locking differentials in select trims. Towing and payload, class-leading towing capacity of up to 7,700 pounds, making it suitable for heavy-duty tasks. Interior. Inside the 2025 Shark Colorado, comfort meets technology. Premium materials, soft-touch surfaces, leather-trimmed seats, and customizable ambient lighting elevate the cabin experience. Advanced infotainment. A 12-inch touchscreen with support for wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Built-in navigation and voice command system. Optional premium audio system for a superior listening experience. Spacious cabin, more legroom and storage options make long trips comfortable for all passengers. Convenience. Features. Dual-zone climate control. Wireless charging pad and multiple USB-C ports. Power-adjustable heated and ventilated seats. Safety. The 2025 Shark Colorado prioritizes safety with a comprehensive suite of driver assistance features. Active safety systems. Forward collision warning with automatic emergency braking. Lane keeping assist and adaptive cruise control. Blind spot monitoring with rear cross-traffic alert. Built tough, a reinforced steel frame and advanced airbag system provide robust protection in case of a collision. Off-road safety, features such as hill descent control and a 360-degree camera with off-road mode ensure confidence on challenging trails. High safety ratings, expected to achieve top ratings in crash tests. Price. The 2025 Shark Colorado is competitively priced across its range. Base trim, starts at $34,000. Mid-level trims, around $40,000 to $45,000, offering enhanced features. Top trim, off-road or luxury edition starting at $55,000, with all premium options included. Overall, the 2025 Shark Colorado is a versatile, capable, and stylish mid-size truck that meets the demands of both adventure and everyday use. With its cutting-edge technology, robust performance, and focus on safety, it stands out as a strong competitor in its class. Whether you're navigating urban streets, hauling heavy loads, or tackling off-road trails, the Shark Colorado delivers a reliable and premium experience that justifies its price point.